Artificial intelligence is transforming the accounting industry at a rapid pace. With 92% of accounting professionals already leveraging AI, it's clear this technology is here to stay. From automating routine tasks like data entry and reconciliation to providing valuable insights, AI is reshaping the accountant's role. AI-equipped accountants are achieving 21% higher billable hours and closing books faster. In this video, we will explore which accounting jobs are most at risk of being automated and highlight the emerging roles that are in demand, like AI specialist, data analyst, and strategic advisors. So let's dive in. Now let's try to understand which jobs will be replaced by AI. That means the company's management want to automate few areas in accounting, and let's understand which areas the management want to replace with AI. The first one is manual and repetitive jobs. In finance, specifically in accounting, there are a lot of repetitive jobs. It could be your employee claims, it could be your purchase of inventory, it could be the processing of customer invoice. So a lot of repetitive jobs are there. And in many cases, manually the employee has to create these invoices or process these invoices. Second is process having high errors. So wherever the accounting process has a risk of high errors, for example, processing of invoice, or it could be employee claims and all that. So those processes also the companies will focus to replace the human touch with AI. Third, people dependent. If you see today in most of the accounting team, there will be few guys who will be working from long 10 to 15 years, and the company are not replacing those people because they come with all legacy knowledge. They come with a lot of expertise knowledge, and the company is completely dependent on them. So now companies are focusing to replace those people, or they streamline processes in such a way that the system does most of the work and you need not be dependent on one single person or a group of people. And the last is time taking jobs. Now the world is faster. Everybody want to take decision faster. The CFO, the MD, or the senior leaders, they want data on time to take decisions on time. For example, warranty claim. If you want to increase the warranty provision, for example, in that case, you want to have all data about warranty, reason wise, dealer wise, geographical wise. So in that case, the data is required faster. So if an accountant takes 2 to 3 days to complete the data and the AI can do it in 5 minutes, then obviously AI will replace those jobs because data is required by management on spot and they want to take decision quickly. Now let's try to understand what are the different jobs you have in accounting. I know many of you may be aware of it, but as many of you will be not knowing what are the different verticals we have in accounting. So the first one is procure to pay, second one is record to report, and the third one is order to cash. Now let's understand what type of transactions or activities are performed in each different departments. In procure to pay, invoice processing is done with three-way match. Three-way match means checking the invoice data with the purchase order and with the GRN. That means the quantity has been received by the company. Second is invoice collection from vendors and other business departments. Follow up for mismatch cases. That means wherever there is a difference between the PO price and the invoice price, the accountant has to go back to the buyer or to the vendor and see that why there is a difference. Fourth, vendor reconciliation, very important because you have to reconcile with the vendor and see that your balance and the vendor's balance matches every time. GST reconciliation, very much required for the Indian law. You need to reconcile so that you can take credit on time. Issue of TDS certificate. So wherever you deduct tax from the invoice of the supplier, you have to issue a TDS certificate so that they can claim in their return. Payment on time to vendors, advance payment to vendors, employee claim processing, and payment to employees. So this is not an exhaustive list, but yes, these are the main core activity of procure to pay. Now, when it comes to record to report, this team they majorly focus on journal entry posting, accounts reconciliation, bank reconciliation, fixed asset accounting, inventory accounting like obsolescence or provision for non-moving, provision for bad debt, preparation of financial statement, handling various audits, and financial data analysis. Now coming to the third vertical, order to cash, their major activities invoice accounting. That means invoice to be raised on the customer. Okay. P2P, they're processing the invoice of the vendor, but order to cash, they're raising invoice to the customer. Then cash application, that means whenever the customer makes payment, ensure that the payment what you have received is applied to the correct invoice. TDS receivable entry, whenever the customer is deducting tax, you have to account it in your books. Customer reconciliation, dunning process means you are sending reminder to the customer that you are not making payment on time. Credit note issue to customer, and the last is handling customer queries. So all these are the core activities, but as company to company they may have more responsibilities, but these are the core activities which most of the companies allocate this activity to the different departments. Now let's understand which activities the AI is going to replace in case of procure to pay. So left side, I am talking about procure to pay activities. This already I explained in the previous slide, so I'm not going to repeat it here. But I will talk about the activities which the AI started replacing these manual jobs. The first one is invoice processing. So there are tools today which can pick data from PO and match with the invoice shared by the vendors, and only trigger automated mails to concerned person in case of mismatch. So today, if an accountant is doing this job, now the same is done by the AI. So AI is reading from the purchase order, AI is reading the data from the invoice, matching it, and then if there is only a difference, then only it will trigger a mail to a responsible person. Otherwise, it will post entry automatically in the ERP. Vendor reconciliation tools are available where the statement received from the vendor is reconciled with the ERP data. So there are few tools where you just upload the data of the vendor statement. It will quickly check with your ERP and give you the differences. Okay. Obviously, in this case, the data in your SAP or in Oracle, wherever you are accounting, should be accurate. If there is a mismatch in invoice number or dates, then obviously it will show you a difference, which may not be actually difference because even AI depends on the base data. So base data has to be correct. Third, GST reconciliation. So there are tools which can reconcile the GST data available in the government portal with the ERP data. Fourth, employee claim processes. So expense management tools can help employees to submit claims online and accountants approve the same in the system. So today in the market, you can see there are Concur, there is Chrome River, different type of tools available in the market where the employees can claim the bills online. Now, how the roles are going to change going forward. So now as the AI is going to do everything, then definitely there will be no manual job with the accountant. So what is the management is expecting from the accountants now? First is exception management. Focus only those invoices which is not processed by AI, right? Like for example, if there is a mismatch, now this person has to talk to the vendor, has to talk to the buyer and see that how that can be solved. So these are all exceptional management. Connect with vendors for invoice mismatch cases and GST not filed. So obviously GST reconciliation will be prepared by the AI, but if there is any differences in that, then the accountant has to connect with the vendor and see that what solution can be done by the vendor so that there is no differences. Monitor aging of GRR and vendor invoices. Obviously, if the invoice is not submitted by the vendor, AI can't do anything. Only it can trigger reminders, but the accountant can connect with the business and the vendor and see that why the invoices are not processed on time or why the invoices are not submitted on time. Then internal control documents. So every company should have internal control documents like ICFR or any ICS requirement. In that case, the accountant has to ensure that all documents are placed, signed off. Focus on process efficiency to get best benefit from AI. Example, GRR not accounted by the business team. Now, if the GRR is not processed by the business team, the AI can't do anything, right? Because there has to be a confirmation that the material has been received. So in that case, the accountant can connect with the business and ensure that the GRR are done on time. And the last is handling vendor queries on time. Sometimes the queries are unique and the AI may not be able to reply on that. So the individual accountant need to connect with the vendor and understand their queries and reply them on time. Now let's see when it comes to record to report, what are the area the AI can replace? So again, I am listing down the activities which I have already explained. Now let's focus which are the activities the AI can replace the accountants. The first one is journal entry posting. So there are tools where the requester can provide the entries in the Excel format and the same once approved by the accountant gets automatically posted in ERP. So the accountant need not get into SAP or Oracle and post the entry. The tool will be able to post the entry in the system once it is approved. Second, accounts reconciliation. This is very, very important in any company because your books of accounts should be clean and you should not have something which doesn't have any clarity, right? You should have every item in the books which have clarity and the documents are supporting those numbers. So these are tools available where different reconciliations are performed and exceptional items are highlighted to take actions by accountants. Third, preparation of financial statements. So tools are available which can prepare financial statement based on ledger mapped into it. Fourth, Power BI tool. This tool provides customized reports which help the management in taking decision on time. Now, what will be the role change when AI is going to replace all these manual jobs? The first one will be check the backup document for JV. Even though the journal entry will be posted automatically, but the backup document attached to that, for example, somebody is giving to accrue 10 million amount. You can't simply just allow the AI to post the entry. So you need to check the backup document, the background or the PO details to see that whether the amount is accurate or not. So all backup documents attached by the requester is verified before approval. Second, exception management. Exceptional items derived during reconciliation to be addressed. Third, compliance of IFRS Ind AS. So focus on accounting standard. Even though AI will be trained on accounting standard, but yes, there may be cases where you need to take judgment on accounting treatment. Fourth, storyteller have to communicate the reports prepared by Power BI. Now, as everything is prepared by AI, the management want you to explain the result, right? In that case, you should be a good storyteller so that you can communicate all the facts which is prepared by the AI in a right way so that the management understands what you are trying to explain. Internal control documentation. This is same like P2P. Focus on process efficiency to get best benefit from AI. And the last is handling stakeholders' queries on time. Now let's see in case of order to cash, what are the activities will be replaced by AI? So similarly in the left side, these are the activities under order to cash. Now let's see what are the activities that will be taken over by AI. First one is invoice creation and issue invoice. There are tools which can create invoices based on PO raised by the customer. Automatic mails are triggered to the customers along with invoice copies and backup documents. Second, customer reconciliation. There are tools available where the statement received from the customer is reconciled with ERP data. Third, dunning process. There are tools available which can send reminder to customers when the invoices are overdue. Now let's see what are the role changes. First is build customer relationship. Talk to customers and ensure that they record the invoice on time and even make the payment on time. Second, exception management. Exceptional items derived during reconciliation to be addressed. Third, compliance of IFRS and Ind AS. Focus on accounting standard on IFRS 15, 9, like cut-off procedures and all that. And the last is handling customer queries on time. Now to conclude whether AI will replace accountants, the answer is yes. And all large and medium-sized companies are investing heavily on AI and automation, and they want less people-dependent processes. So what do you need to do then? Action to be taken immediately by accountants. Upskill knowledge on AI, automation, workflow system. Enhance knowledge on compliance like IFRS, Ind AS, company law, etc. Explore how to increase efficiency of AI processes. Learn how to manage exceptional management. Develop managerial skill which will help collaborating cross-functional department. Come out from your comfort zone. You can be replaced soon by AI. So if you don't upskill and you don't embrace AI, there is always a risk that AI will replace you. So that's it from my side. Hope you like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe to the channel. And if you have liked this video, please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.